The elder them no respect, the elder them no respect, the elder them too. They come no walk on. You know boy, I talk about them no like elder. Hey, me walking with them now go get all out. Yeah, yeah, me I say big and bad. Good afternoon. Yeah, it's a Saturday. Yeah, me I say good afternoon. Yeah, today the 14th of October 2017. But me I say yo, me I what I think pa YouTube. What am I say? Vibes Cartel and Shorty pull up. Not no go some man. A rumor them a spread. The song where Shorty sing, the song where Vibes Cartel sing say don't come back. I know for Shorty. Me don't know how them people are put them things for them way. Like them want Vibes Cartel and Shorty to go one way and the other one go the other way. It can't go so and it not go so cause Shorty check for Vibes Cartel and a cartel baby mother that. So the man where I taught the story say Cartel and Shorty left. People nothing go so. Because up to one day Shorty come on stage and talk say yeah she worry about him and she miss him and all them things there. You see what me I say? So you hear me? People know watch out for some of them people who have YouTube channel. We have spread them false rumor. Me tell you already. Cartel nah this him baby mother for no other woman. Remember me tell her that. I share deal them thing. And some other rest of people close to Cartel when no Cartel like that. So them to stop spread them bag of rumor, you see it? Oh. Listen this a one. Them want to live long, but them not go live like me man. The full up of evil man will listen to this one. We not go follow the dirty footprint say me song. Upon the pandering them hear this one. Yo, respect the elder them, respect the elder them, respect the elder them to the crowd when they walk. Respect the elder them.